Hi students, how are you all? Today I got a one good news to all those who are aspiring to be an IITian and settle in a bright future with a good package job. That is programming and data sciences. That degree you are going to get, but for that you have to rush up. Where to rush up and how to rush up, what you have to do, and what are the conditions that I am going to tell you now. Okay, so this is a course offered by IIT Madras, which is ranked number one by NIRF. Okay, so NIRF is an organization after checking thoroughly with the academics of technical institutes, including IIT and private colleges, it is going to rank them. So they checked the performance of the IIT Madras and ranked it to be the number one. Okay, and in that IIT, if you wanted to be a IITian from the Madras IIT, you have to normally go through the advanced examination, which is very tough exam. So but I got a good news for you, without advanced examination this year onwards. Okay, from January onwards you can start your IITian dream and enroll yourself with the little amount of fees and little amount of the expenses. You can get a certification from the IIT Madras. How it is possible, that I am going to tell you. So before that, you are at Whichchem channel. Whichchem channel is a premier channel which is giving you the complete in-depth analysis information about the chemistry as well as for all educational information. All educational information which is suitable to you, like motivating job opportunities, courses offered by various colleges, exam result, everything is given on this platform. Latest educational news are going to be very helpful to you. Like the information I am going to convey is going to change your life. Small information can change your life if it reaches to you within time. For that, what you have to do, you have to pay just nothing. Just you have to subscribe this channel, press bell icon, and if you are wishing the bright future of any of your friends, relatives, brother, sister, anybody who you want them also to be achieve high good goals of their life, kindly ask them to subscribe this channel and press bell icon, and you yourself also should subscribe and press bell icon, and don't forget to press like button. Okay, so Whichchem channel, we are giving all type of chemistry in the 3D animation, like solid state chapter is there, so that is explained in the 3D animation with multicolored diagrams. And in some places like orbitals, they need to be explored in the animation only. So wherever any technology must be used for the good cause, it is done by our Whichchem YouTube channel. So you also can be part of this family by being a member of it, and it is free. And the information you are going to get is absolutely authenticated information and in time information. Like this last date is 15th September, but today only I am informing you well in advance, so that you should not miss any chance. And also, after this uh, after this information, you will inform to your friends also, and also them you will help them to explore their career to be an IITian. So you need not to be think anyhow, why if they are IITian, then what will be ours. It is not like that. They got 2,50,000 almost seats, so they are receiving 2,50,000 applications. So don't think that if you are informing to somebody, it is going to be a problem. Okay, but once your friend or your relatives is going to be with you, then it is better than not informing. Okay, so let's start with the what is the information. And IIT Madras is the institution which told that they are conducting a course for the they are conducting a course for the data sciences and programming. Okay, programming and data science is the course name. Okay, so this course can be conducted even online. Unlike the other engineering, The computer engineering can be done even online. See, the course name is Programming and Data Sciences. Okay, so I received this information well before and I have informed you also. But because of any reason, if you are not aware of that, I will give you the I button. You can press the I button and know about the course detail. In that video, already I have explained how to join IIT Madras without advanced examination. The beauty of this is you need not to write advanced examination. You have to be just passed a 12th class with good marks and have interest in the computer field. And programming and data science is the course which is very required. Lakhs of jobs are offered by many MNC companies with good packages. Okay, for this you need not to worry about your future. If you're done with this, the two topmost IITs certificate is there and course is also bright course. Only thing you have to apply immediately. So before you apply, what I want that everybody should forward this video to the 3 to 5 members. At least 3 to 5 members you should forward this and let them also be an IITian like you. Okay, so let's see what after receiving this information, I wrote the mail to the IIT Madras. Then they sent me reply. See, this is iitmac.in, that is IIT Madras Academics. So this shows the authenticity of the news. Okay, so before coming to you, I make all efforts, all informations checked once or twice or thrice, then only I will come to you. So without any doubt, if I am telling to you, you can follow it if you are interested. Okay, so once I wrote thank you for your interest towards the IIT Madras. Okay, then there the main information I wanted to convey is application last date is 15 September. But this information, maybe you may be thinking that 10 days are there, you need not to apply now. Okay, but after that sentence, see, once we receive 2,50,000 application, whichever occurs first. Okay, so that means if the applications received are, obviously there will be more number of applications because it is the topmost IIT and offering a good course at the lowest possible cost. What is the cost of this course, how many semesters, what will be the fee payment method, and everything I have explained in that video. So go through that video and be aware of this news. I hope everybody will be doing this, and where to apply and everything you can again watch this. See, this is this is their website already given, bit.ly/online degree underscore IITM. So but before going through this, kindly go through that my previous video which explains in detail about the program offered by it. Okay, I think everybody pressed the already like button. Only thing you have to share it to your 3 to 5 friends at least. And if you are not a subscriber, first time viewer, then kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that when we add a new video about any educational information, it should reach to you. Bye bye, which can ensures you success in your life. Bye.